Okay guys, this is a Sam Strano F-body specific high performance single adjustable coilover system. So let me show you how to assemble this. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and grab your shock and grab your lower adjuster nut and go ahead and thread that on. Now you'll have to start it over the top on this one and then thread it all the way down. All right, now there's a little tiny piece of plastic in there that protects it during shipping. Go ahead and take that out. You won't need that. Next, you want to go ahead and grab a washer and go ahead and slide that down over on top of that. And of course, it has a nice little perfect grooved edge for it to set on. Then you want to go ahead and grab your spring and slide it over top of the shock and set it down on the base. Now right here is the firmness adjuster screw. You want to go ahead and make sure that is tightened all the way up, so tighten that up clockwise all the way and then hold the knob with your hands, and then you need to use a T10 star bit to remove that cap. Now the reason you have to tighten that all the way down and then remove the cap is so that way the washer and the upper spring mount can fit over top of it. Okay, so after removing that, you want to go ahead and grab another washer and go ahead and place that directly on top of the spring. Next, you will go ahead and grab your upper spring mount. Looks like this. Next, you want to install the upper spring mount retainer clip, and that retainer clip goes right here in this groove. And it should look just like that once it's seated into the groove. And now you'll notice that the upper spring mount is incapable of coming back off. Now you just want to go ahead and take your cap, put that back on, and tighten the screw back up. Okay, now your lower adjuster nut also comes with a locking screw. So you want to go ahead and put that in, thread it in, but do not tighten it down, as you will need that to be semi-loose in order to adjust the preload on the spring. Okay, and that's pretty much it for the front coilover assembly. Now the rear coilovers assemble almost exactly the same way. You'll notice that the lower adjuster nut can be threaded on from the bottom. And then you'll continue to do the exact same steps, putting a washer on, and then the spring, then another washer, then the top retainer plate. Now something you'll notice here is that the top or upper spring mount, this one is kind of more dome shaped. That's due to the pocket that the rear coilover will be setting in the car. Okay, and there you go. That's the rear coilover completely assembled. Guys, super easy. Well, guys, there you have it, man. It was like a 15, maybe 20-minute job. And that was with me, taking my time and making sure that I had all the fasteners in the correct place and, like really taking my time. So, assembling a set of coilovers. These particular ones happen to be some Sam Strano high performance um, single adjustable complete coilover set. Pretty simple to throw together, guys. All right, guys, so as always, I really appreciate you watching. Stay tuned because the next one is going to be how to install them on your F-body. Of course, mine is the 2002 Chevy Camaro. So stay tuned for that. That video should be coming out pretty soon. And I'll also be doing a before and after video of how well the suspension worked. One of those was it worth it type videos. See you guys later. All right, this is a T10 future rolling. Ta-da! Oh. Oh. Yeah, we'll edit that out.